The project is 2 houses comprising of 7 flats with a communal courtyard. The idea was to try and make something that was a bit more special, a place where people can interact, relax and have fun. I chose windows that suited the aesthetics of the concept for this project. One reason why I chose Panoramah was for their very high sliding windows. There is roughly 26 meters in between the 2 houses. So for me, it was crucial that from the ground floor you can see the sky, even if you're surrounded by 2 or 3 story high houses. One thing that is almost unique to Panoramah is its motorized vertically sliding windows. These allowed me to create a room with glazing that reaches all the way down to the floor, and by lowering the top section of the 2-part window, you break down the barriers in between the inside and out, both visually and functionally. The possibilities that Panoramah and architectural solutions offer was to some extent the starting point of this project. I think that at the end of the day, one of our main goals is to make people feel better and to live a calmer life. With the resonating qualities of materials, space and in this case windows, I think we have produced just that.